In the figure below, ABC and ABD are equilateral triangles. Now, what are equilateral triangles? These are triangles that have all sides equal to each other. Okay, all angles are also equal to each other as well. Okay, so BDE is a right angled triangle over here. B to D to E. BG, DF and GEF. BG, DF and also GEF. These are straight lines. Find angle BEG. So BEG is this purple angle here. Alright, so to do the first question, notice that you're dealing with a straight line. Okay, but before writing your steps, it is highly encouraged to do this first. Take a pencil and mark out anything that you know about this diagram. So we know that equilateral triangles have angles that are equal. So that will be 180 divided by 3, 60 degrees for each. Why 180? Because this is the sum of the angles. 60 here, 60 here, over here also gonna be 60. Okay? Alright, so how to find BEG? BEG is the purple one there. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 37 degrees. $53 degrees. Okay, so once you get it, put it inside the diagram. Alright, first answer done. Now the next one. Find angle BDE. Where's BDE? Is identify that first. BDE is this black angle here. Okay, let me use a different color. Green angle. Alright, now to do that, okay, you can try to either find this blue angle here or this one here. Okay, because then if you find this blue angle, you can make use of the 180 degrees rule. Angles inside a triangle add up to 180, and then you can find this greenish angle. Now, how do we find this blue angle? This blue one here. First step, find the smaller angle here. Alright, which is part of this smaller corner triangle. Angle EBG. This will be 180 minus 53 minus 94. $33 degrees. Okay, so the blue angle we can find angle DBE. Okay, why 60 and 60? Because 60 is here, 60 is also here. Remember, we marked it out earlier. Alright, and angles on a straight line add up to 180. So that's how you can find this blue one. Okay, that's how you can find the blue one. $27 degrees. Okay, so with that, we should be able to find our green angle, which is angle BDE. 180 minus 90 minus 27 to give us a final answer of 63 degrees. Okay, so the key point to diagram questions, write whatever you can write on the diagram first. Okay, that will help you with more information. You can solve the questions quicker as well. Okay.